Hi there, welcome to Career Minds Academy. My name is Oriolua Ido. First, a massive congratulations to you. You've made one of the best decisions of your life by taking the bold step to invest in your future and grow your career in cybersecurity. We know it's not always easy to start something new, but whether you're transitioning from a different field, restarting your journey, or starting afresh, just know this: you belong here and you're not alone. At Career Minds, we've designed everything with you in mind: real world training, hands on labs, flexible learning, and a community that supports you. You're about to dive into courses led by industry experts, explore real labs, join monthly live sessions, and gain access to mentorship from professionals across the globe. And here's a little teaser for you. Whether you're aiming for SOC analyst, cloud security analyst, GRC, or compliance analyst, or even ethical hacking positions, we're here to guide you step by step into your tech breakthrough. Thank you for choosing us to be a part of your journey. We're honored to help you turn your goals into skills and your skills into career. So get ready, for the future starts here, and it starts right now. See you inside.